The Xfinity Xfi Advanced Gateway is your self-installable modem router combo for seamless internet. To activate, first plug the gateway into a coaxial cable wall outlet and then connect the power cord. Download the Xfinity app. It's the fastest way to get online. Open the app and scan the QR code on your gateway, or manually enter your account information. The app will guide you through the activation process, which includes setting up your Wi-Fi network name and password. This entire process should take less than 10 minutes. Once activated, connect your devices wirelessly using the SSID and password you created, or via Ethernet cable for a wired connection to your devices. Make sure to upgrade to the advanced plans and hardware to ensure you unlock its full features. If you experience connectivity issues, start by resetting the gateway. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the device for 15 seconds. Use the Xfinity app to check for outages in your area. The Xfi Gateway offers several key features. It supports Wi-Fi 6E for faster speeds of up to 19 gigabits on compatible devices. Built-in Xfinity Secure features for enhanced cybersecurity, parental controls, and guest network options. The Xfi app also lets you run speed tests and prioritize bandwidth for specific devices to make sure you can run all devices as needed. Stay updated with the latest firmware updates to maintain optimal performance and security. These updates are usually automatic. For advanced users, the gateway can be put into bridge mode to work with third-party routers if desired.